Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some jerk potato salad. Yes, so here I have some potato that I was cutting, and this is the size because I don't want it to be too small. And guys, I'm using the white potato. Okay, so this is how I cut it. I'm just gonna show you guys. And I'm using at least 8 potato, okay? As I said, medium size. So this recipe came to my head, guys, that I can make some jerk potato salad. And I know it's gonna be super yummy, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So that's done. So guys, these are my seasoning that I'm gonna add to my pot. Here I have 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Yes, so I'm gonna add this to my water when I'm boiling the potato. Okay, so guys, here I have my pot on my stove, and to my pot I add at least 4 cups of cold water. And the reason why I'm adding cold water, guys, because I don't want, when I add hot water, my potato cook, immediately. Because I want my, my potato to cook evenly, okay? So that's why. So first, I'm just going to add at least 1 tablespoon of olive oil, not a lot. Then I'm going to add all my seasoning. Gonna give it a stir. Then now I'm gonna add my potatoes. And I'm just gonna allow them to cook, guys, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. But please do not let your potato overcook, because you don't want to, cook no mashed potato. We're cooking potato salad. So watch your potato, guys, and make sure it's not too soft, okay? Stay tuned. So guys, my potato is all ready. And this is what it looks like. I just turned off my stove. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna push a fork through it. So you see that, guys, it is perfect. As I said, make sure it is not cooked out, okay? Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is super perfect. This is exactly how I want it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly remove all this water from it, okay? Yes. So guys, I'm gonna also add some mixed vegetable, and this is at least 1 cup. So I'm gonna add some carrot, just a tiny bit of broccoli, some green beans, and some cauliflower. As you can see, guys, they are very small. They're not big. You don't need them to be big. This is, perfect. But if you don't have it, guys, you can always make it without it, okay? But this is just gonna make your potato salad look so colorful and look so beautiful. So that's why I'm gonna add it to it. It's gonna give it, give it some life. So guys, here I have my pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable to my pot. I just add at least 1 cup of warm water, okay? But first, I'm just gonna add at least ½ teaspoon of salt, not a lot. So guys, I also add ½ teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, So now I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable, and I'm just gonna allow it, guys, to cook for only 3 minutes and I eat. Okay, so stay tuned. And I'm also gonna cover my pot. Yes. So guys, these are all of my ingredients that I'm gonna use to garnish my potato. So here I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have ½ teaspoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and ½ teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Okay, and I also have 1 teaspoon of my jerk seasoning, and this is my wet jerk seasoning, and I'm gonna add at least ½ teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. But guys, this right here is spicy, so you don't want to add a lot, you only want a little bit. Okay, yes. And I'm just gonna add some scallion, otherwise as spring onions. Yeah. So here I have my bowl, guys, and the first thing I'm gonna add to my bowl is my mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna add my jerk seasoning. My spring onions. And my wet jerk seasoning. You just want to blend your seasoning together. Just gonna add it. Then guys, I'm just gonna mix it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. So that's done, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it to the side. Okay, nice and thick. I don't want it to be runny. This is perfect. So guys, I just remove all the excess water from my potato. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, and after I add my butter, I'm gonna also add some Parmesan cheese to my potato. Not a lot, just a handful. Then I'm just gonna give it a stir. Just allow the Parmesan cheese to melt in that potato. And now guys, I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. And you're just gonna take your time and just stir it all in. So that's done. So this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna add my dressing. Look at that. So yummy. And I'm just gonna take my spoon, guys, and just mix it all in. Just make sure that everything is all combined. Okay, oh my goodness, this look amazing. Super delicious. I'm gonna add some more of my dressing. And I'm gonna also add some more of my Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese, guys, is just gonna add more flavor to your potato salad. Because I'm gonna do the chicken. I'm gonna do some chicken breasts. Yes, so everything is gonna be super, super delicious all together. Look at that, guys. It looks amazing. So this is done for now, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it to the side, okay? Yes. Look at that. So good. Yummy. So guys, this is my chicken that I'm gonna add to my potato salad. So here I have some chicken breasts, but these are like the chicken fillet, so they are not as big, you know, as the normal chicken breast would do. Okay, so these are my seasoning. Here I have at least 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, and half teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, and half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. And this is my wet jerk marinate, and I'm gonna add at least 1 spoon, because I don't need a lot, as I always said, because this thing right here is so spicy. So 1 spoon is enough for me. So first thing, I'm just gonna start off by adding some olive oil. Then guys, I'm just gonna blend my seasoning together, and I'm just gonna add it to my chicken breasts like so. Gonna flip it over, just rub it, massage the seasoning all in, just turn it back over. Make sure that the chicken is all coated with all that seasoning, because you want your chicken, guys, to be super delicious. If you want, as I always said, you can always use a gloves. And now I'm gonna add my wet jerk marinade. And guys, you can always get your jerk seasoning from your local Caribbean shop, or even in your African shop. I'm telling you, it smells so good already. Honestly, it smells amazing. That jerk seasoning, And you can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna also add just a small amount of my dark soya sauce, just to give it some color. You don't need a lot. Yeah, that's it. So that's done. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pan fry it, okay? You can always add it to your oven, but I'm just gonna fry it on the stove top today. So what I did to my pot, I add at least 5 spoonful to quarter cup of my olive oil to my pot. But make sure your oil is hot and your pot is hot, okay? But my stove is on a medium heat. You don't want to turn it up too high. So now I'm just gonna add my chicken breast, and I'm just gonna allow them to fry, guys, for at least 5 to 6 minutes on each side, okay? I'm gonna add all 4. Just try and space them out a bit. So now, guys, it's been about just over 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna flip it over. And I'm telling you guys, they look super, super delicious. You see that? Nice and brown. And that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Look at that. It looks so juicy as well. So you're just gonna carry on with the same process, okay? So now, guys, that it has finished, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to fry for another 3 minutes or so, okay? Yeah, 3 to 4 minutes. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some sweet chili sauce on it with my brush. You're gonna come like so, just to base it. This is just gonna give it some more flavor. So guys, just towards the end, what I did, I added just a little over it, okay? Just for it to, you know, steam right through. Yes. So it is all finished. And they are nicely, nicely done. I'm telling you, these chicken breasts look so juicy. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. So now, guys, I'm gonna remove them, okay? Put it to my plate. So now that I add it to my plate, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut some of it, not all. Like so. This is perfectly cooked, guys. Look at that. It is nicely, nicely done. And it is so juicy. Super, super juicy. Yeah, you're just gonna cut them up just in small pieces, okay? So this is my potato salad. So now, guys, I'm just gonna add these pieces in my potato salad like so. So now, just gonna mix it in. This recipe right here, guys, is a must try. Your families, your friends, Everyone is gonna enjoy it. I'm telling you, it look amazing. Super, super delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it all to my bowl right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Absolutely, absolutely delicious. Super, super yummy. Just gonna spread it out. And now guys, I'm gonna add those delicious, delicious chicken on top, like so. There are some little bit of gravy that leave back in my pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it on my chicken like so. Then guys, I'm gonna garnish it with some scallion. Super, super delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it look amazing. I'm gonna also add some Parmesan cheese, which is totally optional. That's it. And there you have it guys. This is my jerk chicken potato salad, straight from Jody Cooking Kitchen. Oh my goodness guys, please share this video to your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it guys. I work so hard just to get these videos out for you guys, so please support my channel. I'm telling you, it look amazing, absolutely delicious, must try. So guys, now I'm gonna taste it and tell you guys what it's like. As you can see, the knife go right through it so smoothly. So it is nicely cooked, so tender, those chicken breasts. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is super delicious. Honestly, it tastes so good. That potato salad, oh my goodness guys, I give this recipe 10 out of 10. It is absolutely delicious. Please guys, remember to thumbs this video up, share it to your families, to your friends, and if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.